Alaminos is officially the city of Alaminos. Alaminos is the fourth-class component city of the province of Pangasinan in Philippines and is known for being the home of the 100 Islands National Park, which is composed of 124 islands and is located off the coast of Barangay Luca. According to the 2020 census, it has the population of 99,397 people. The city was named after Juan Alaminos y de Vivar, former Governor General of the Philippines. Alaminos is such a beautiful place, not only with the beautiful places, but most importantly, beautiful people. Our city's pride is the people itself because we are happy individuals despite of all the challenges and obstacles that we are facing, especially during this time of pandemic. I am so proud to represent my city for this upcoming Mr. Gay Pangasinan Online 2021 pageant. I know that I can be a good ambassador not only in my city but the entire Pangasinan. I will promote my province and the causes that I believe in. I am Mark John Paul Valix, representing Alaminos City, Province of Pangasinan. See you in time in Alaminos.